Hello dear students, greetings from me. I wish you are well. I want to take your science class for English version students, grade 3. Are you ready? Please take your science book and note khata. Well, first of all, I would like to show something for you. Are you ready to see? Alright. Please notice carefully. Okay, you can see a balloon in my hand and I touch it my finger tightly. Now please notice it. What things go out from this balloon? What things release from the balloon? Please notice. What things release from the balloon? Can you answer me? I think you can understand. From this balloon, some air release from this balloon. Okay. So, please look at the screen. What can you see in the picture? Please think carefully. If you go look outside, you can see also in your environment some trees and some leaves and branches are growing by this air. Now you can see also in the screen some air blowing in the trees. So leaves are blowing by the air. Okay, you are correct. Now look at the screen again. What can you see? Here is a girl. She riding a bike and her hair is moving. But why? Because she is running the cycle and hair is moving by the air. Yes, today I am going to teach you air. Chapter 6, page number 36. So, our topic is air and the topic's subtitle is how do we know that air is around us. So, our topic is today air and how do we know that air is around us. Dear students, you know air is the component of nature. Air is the component of nature. Plant and animals need to survive air. Without air we cannot survive. Please look at me. I press my nose. Now I take breath. I inhale breath and exhale breath. From which thing? Air. It is also air. If you try in your nose, you can also feel it. So we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Students, I want to show how to windmill works through a paper. Please notice. Wow, awesome. Is it right? You try it in your home, at your home, okay? Thank you. Now notice, it is a hand fan. It is a hand fan. When we feel warm or hot, then we blowing the hand fan and feel cool. Friends, please notice here are some piece of papers. Now I have a fan and I blowing. The papers are blow from this table. Do you like this? You can understand here is also air. Okay, let's move on the screen. Dear students, in the meanwhile you can see a lot of example how do you understand the air is in our environment? So now take your science book, chapter 6, page number 36 to 37. Please read out this text and compare with my lecture, and read out the text silently for 1 minute, please. Okay, I think you have complete. You can understood everywhere is air, but we cannot see, but we feel it. A lot of example. So now I would like to request, please look at the screen and take your note khata. Try to fill in the gaps. First one is, air is a component of dash environment. Second one is, plants and animals need to for survive. Let's move on. Third one, we cannot dash air. I think you have completed. Now check your answer. Air is a component of natural environment. Yeah, you are all right. Next one, plants and animals need to air for survive. We cannot see air. We cannot see air. I think you are brilliant. You have completed your answer, and check your answer also. Now move on next. In the meanwhile, we have discussed about the air. Air is a environment, natural environment. We cannot live without air. So we need to survive air. We cannot see, but we can feel it. If you look at your outside, you can see everywhere is air. Today we have discussed about the air. Okay, now I have a homework for you. Let's move on the screen. How can you feel air is around yours? Write 2 sentences from your own experience. Again I read out. How can you feel air is around yours? Write 2 sentences from your own experience. You should have write. Thank you so much. No more today. See you next class. Bye bye.